What the fuck? This is a whole secret room, bro. All right, let's lock this up. So I was out here trying to find an airflow problem. Jesus. A friend of mine. Thing still works. Oldie. Jay's selling his house, man, so we got an airflow problem in the master bedroom. Right? Give you a quick tour, quick rundown. This is what $3 million gets you out here in Marietta. So you got the little guest house right here, right? Bam, put a boom. So we didn't have no airflow up here now. That's all good to go. It's fixed. You know what I'm saying? Give you a quick tour. Golf course. Okay. I'm going to show you something that threw me for a loop, okay? So stay with me here, okay? Stay with me. All right. So here is the attic access, right? Goes up inside here, all over, all kinds of crazy shit up there. But the problem was, is they had no airflow to this room. But they got airflow now, like crazy, right? No airflow there, no airflow in this bathroom, right? So, I'm looking around for these fucking furnaces, man. I'm looking up, I'm looking high, I'm looking low, I'm looking everywhere. I go down here. I think this cubby hole is gonna take me somewhere, right? Doesn't take me nowhere, dead end, boom. Fucking shithole in there. It's a trap. When I come upstairs, I find the other unit. I come upstairs, I'm looking around. There's gotta be a crawl space here, right? There's gotta be a crawl space here somewhere. Here's a return. There's gotta be something on the other side of this wall. There's gotta be an air conditioner here somewhere. Am I going crazy or what? Are you fucking kidding me? You're kidding me, right? Oh, man. What the hell? Bro. This is a whole... What the hell is this? What the fuck? This is a whole secret room, bro. Are you kidding me? Check this shit out. Bada bing. I had to crawl. Look at that. Unbelievable. And here we go. That is badass. No wonder I couldn't find the furnace. You know what I mean? Wow, man. Go out here. This is the rest of the house. So I had to go. I've been looking for the access for those furnaces for a fucking hour, man. Okay? So the way to get in there is I started over here. That's crazy, man. I started in here. I had to climb all the way through the house, all these little cubby holes up in the attic, just to fucking find a secret door. How cool is that though, right? Crazy, man. That takes you all the way back to there. Pretty cool. All right. All right. That's good to know. Thanks for telling me that, Jay. Appreciate it, buddy. And now, I gotta go back and get my... So this thing's running. I gotta get my tool bag now. I found the unit. Okay, so this... Look at this fucking octopus, huh? There we go, there it is. Okay, charge extra for this. Okay. Let's see what we got here. So it's that furnace that supplies over here, that bedroom. All right. All right, Mike. That's crushed. This is 9 going over there to the bathroom, I believe. Okay. Oh, what do we got here, buddy? What do we got here, buddy? Would you take a look at that, huh? There is your problem. Oh, now I gotta go get some tape. Fix this shit. Whew. All right. Monkeying around, you know what I mean? Monkeying around. Get this fixed and get this hell out of here. Yeah, here we splice the ducts together and tape it. They just had duct tape, like real regular duct tape, man, and that's not gonna cut it. Correct way to do this would have been to go, and I still might do it. Come back, I'm gonna talk to him if he wants me to do it. Just put an elbow in here, just put a 90 right here. Tie it in. But, oh shit. I'm not gonna get out of this attic, man. This is a nightmare up here. This is what they're using, just regular duct tape, man. Alright. Alright, man. I'm out of here. On to the next one, baby.